Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of email warm-up. Have you ever wondered why your cold emails end up in the dreaded spam folder? Or perhaps you are looking for the best email warm-up tools? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss why warming up your emails is essential, how you can do it manually, and the advantages and limitations of this approach. So let's get started. First things first, let's address why email warm-up is so crucial. You see, email service providers, ESPs, have become smarter over the years in detecting spam. By warming up your email, you establish your reputation as a genuine sender, increasing your chances of landing in the primary inbox rather than the spam. It's like building trust with ESPs and their algorithms. Now that we understand the importance, let's explore how you can warm up your emails manually. Here are the steps you need to follow. The first step is to authenticate your email account. By enabling SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, you strengthen your email's credibility. This tells ESPs that you are a legitimate sender. Next, make sure you have a quality email list. Sending emails to engaged recipients helps improve your deliverability rates. Avoid purchasing email lists, as they often contain inactive or irrelevant addresses. When warming up your emails, it's crucial to send them individually rather than in bulk. This mimics natural human behavior and avoids triggering spam filters. Engage in meaningful conversations by replying to emails received. This helps build a reputation with ESPs and shows that you are not just a one-way broadcaster. Subscribing to newsletters relevant to your industry demonstrates your active participation in the email community. Make sure to engage with these newsletters regularly. Finally, it's important to maintain a reasonable time gap between sending consecutive emails. Overloading your recipients with too many messages too quickly can harm your deliverability rates. Now that you know how to manually warm up your emails, let's discuss the advantages and limitations of this approach. Manual warm-up allows you to have complete control over your email campaigns. It helps you understand your audience better and build genuine relationships with your recipients. However, it can be time-consuming and requires careful monitoring. Manual warm-up might not be scalable for larger email campaigns, and it lacks the advanced features and analytics provided by dedicated email warm-up tools. And there you have it, folks. Email warm-up is not just a fancy term, but a crucial strategy to ensure your emails reach the right inboxes. By following these manual warm-up steps, you can enhance your email deliverability rates and build stronger connections with your audience. Fuel your growth engine with Success.ai's unlimited warm-up, 700 million plus B2B contacts, and an AI-powered writer. Unleash the potential of advanced analytics and inbox rotation. Start your free trial today and witness the impact of a platform designed for success. Your journey to hypergrowth begins here.